गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। देखिएगा 11th क्लास सीबीएसई के लिए लास्ट कक्षा में हमने इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। क्लियर? और हमने 3 इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन लाइक एज v इक्वल टू u प्लस ए टी, s इक्वल टू ut प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर एंड v square minus u square equal to 2as. These are 3 equations of motion that are discussed in last classes. In last class, we established these equations by the graphical method, in which we draw a graph and a moving object that's initial velocity is u meter per second square, and after t time its velocity become as v meter per second. So by these method we calculate all these 3 equations of a motion. Now today we discuss about the equation of motion by calculus method. Clear? In previous class we discuss about equation of motion by graphical method. Here today we discuss about the equation of motion by calculus method. So first of all, what is calculus method? We know that the integration of any physical quantity या integration of any function also known as its calculus. Clear? So today's class topic is equation of motion. Equations of motion by calculus मेथड। यानी कैलकुलस मेथड से हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को स्टैब्लिश करना है। क्लियर बच्चों? तो देखिएगा, लेट अस कंसीडर a object moving with initial velocity by u meter per second at time t इक्वल टू 0 सेकेंड। यानी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है वो जिसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी t इक्वल टू 0 सेकेंड पर कितनी है? u मीटर पर सेकेंड। आफ्टर t सेकेंड इट्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी बिकम एज v meter per second. Clear? After t second its final velocity become v meter per second. Clear? So we know that acceleration, what is the acceleration? Change in velocity with respect to time. So we can write as acceleration is change in velocity upon change in time. Clear? We already discussed about this relation or formula of acceleration, that is change in velocity upon change in time. Since for an instant or for a small duration of time, change in acceleration represent as dv upon a dt. Clear? Here dv change in velocity and dt change in time, or we can say that change in velocity with respect to time. Clear? So this equation also written as dv equal to a dt. by cross multiply we can write as dv equal to a dt. Clear? Now we perform integration or calculus method. We know that calculus is represented by this symbol and here a dt. If initial velocity is u and final velocity is v at time duration t equal to 0 to t equal to t सेकेंड. क्लियर? यानी उस ऑब्जेक्ट की इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितनी है u है जिसको हमने पहले कंसीडर कर चुके हैं. जब t इक्वल टू कितना होता है 0 और उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी हो जाएगी v जब t इक्वल टू t सेकेंड पे. सो dv from u to v, from initial velocity to final velocity, that is the limit of this calculus or limit of this integration. This is also known as defined calculation. ठीक है? Calculus. Here for time t equal to 0 to t a dt. Clear? We know that integration of dv. We already discussed about integration of dx equal to x. Similarly, integration of dv will be v. Clear? So we can write as v because the integration of dv is v from u to v equal to a is constant. So a bring out from the calculus and we know that dt equal to t because dt will be t at 0 to t. Clear? Now we put the limits of calculus. Upper limit minus lower limit. Clear? First of all, we place upper limit here v minus. We place lower limit here u equal to here a upper limit t minus lower limit 0. Clear? So we can write as v equal to u plus at. That is the first equation of motion by calculus method. So you can see that. You can see that calculus of velocity represent acceleration. यानी वेलोसिटी का जो समाकलन है वो किसको डिनोट करता है? एक्सीलरेशन, त्वरण को डिनोट करता है. ठीक है? तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन बाय कैलकुलस मेथड. क्लियर? राइट डाउन इट एंड नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन बाय कैलकुलस मेथड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, राइट डाउन इट. By the opposing, if there is question in exams like as establish the three equation of motion by the calculus method, then you follow this method. Otherwise, if there is question about three equation of motion to establish the equation of motion by graphical method, then you. Now we discuss about the second equation motion. Second equation of motion. Since we know that differential of position vector यानी displacement represent with respect to time represent वेलोसिटी. यानी डिस्प्लेसमेंट का या पोजीशन वेक्टर का टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में जो अवकलन है, डिफरेंशियल है, वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? वेलोसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। सिंस differential of displacement with respect to time represent velocity. So this is written as v equal to dx upon dt. Here x is displacement. Clear? So this equation can be written as dx equal to v dt, or we can also write as dx equal to, by the first equation of motion, u plus at into dt. Clear? Means v equal to u plus at. We place by equation first. Clear? Now, if initial position of object is x naught and final position is x. So by the calculus dx from x naught to x, यानी अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट वो ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट ना होके किसी पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस से, यानी ऑलरेडी किसी डिस्प्लेसमेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उस केस में इनिशियल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना हो गया? x नॉट, फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट x इक्वल टू टाइम ड्यूरेशन फ्रॉम t इक्वल टू 0 टू t u dt प्लस 80 dt. क्लियर? यानी हमने क्या किया है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है, अंदर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, या फिर dx इक्वल टू x नॉट टू x इक्वल टू u dt फ्रॉम 0 टू t प्लस a कांस्टेंट है, हम इसको भी लिख सकते हैं फ्रॉम 0 टू x t dt. क्लियर? हमने दोनों पार्ट का इंटीग्रेशन किया है. यहां से देखिएगा dx का इंटीग्रेशन कितना होता है? x फ्रॉम x नॉट टू x इक्वल टू u is constant, so integration of dt will be t, u t from 0 to t plus a is constant. What is the integration of t dt? We know that t की पावर 2 n plus 1 upon n plus 1, यानी t square upon 2 from 0 to t. देखिएगा u कांस्टेंट है t के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो t का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना होगा, सॉरी इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा? t हो जाएगा. dt का इंटीग्रेशन कितना हो जाएगा? t, कहां से? 0 से लेके और t तक. क्लियर? इसी तरह से अगर हम a की बात करें, ठीक है, तो dt का कितना हो जाएगा? t स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, 0 से लेके और t तक. क्लियर? तो यहां से कह सकते हैं कि x माइनस x नॉट, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, इक्वल टू u अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट प्लस a अपर लिमिट t स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 माइनस लोअर लिमिट 0. क्लियर? We place the upper limit at t and here we place the upper limit t here. Clear? So we can write as x minus x naught. Here x naught is initial displacement. Clear? If object starts from origin, then x naught will be 0, and that is ut plus half at square, and this is calculated as x equal to x naught plus ut plus half at square. That is the second equation of motion by calculus method. Clear? Here you observe that x naught is the extra term. Okay? Here x, in the graphical method we discuss about the second equation of motion, then we represent displacement by s. So displacement can be represented by s or x. Clear? Here x naught is the initial velocity, initial displacement. If object does not start from origin, then it will be considered as a initial displacement. If object start from origin, then it will be 0. Clear? So that is the second equation of motion by calculus method. Clear? Now we write down this equation properly from here. आपको यहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है, बाय द calculus method और integration method. Now we discuss about the third equation of motion by calculus method. Clear? तो इसको पॉज करके लिखिएगा एक बार जल्दी से, यहीं पे रोक लेना इसको, मैं साइड में लगाता हूँ. Now we discuss about the third equation of motion. Since we know that differential of a velocity with respect to time represent acceleration. Clear? यानी वेलोसिटी का जो डिफरेंशियल है टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में, वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? एक्सेलरेशन को. दिस इक्वेशन कैन रिटन एज a इक्वल टू dv अपॉन dx into dx upon dt. Clear? This dv upon dt can be written as dv upon dx into dx upon dt, because dx cancel dx, again remain dv upon dt. Clear? अब देखिएगा a equal to dv upon dx. We know that dv upon dx and dx upon dt. This dx upon dt यानी differentiation of the position vector represented velocity, so it represent as v equal to dv upon dx. Clear? We know that differentiation of position vector dx upon dt represented component of velocity. In previous equation we already discussed this, dx upon dt equal to v. Clear? Now this equation can be written as v dv equal to ADX. Clear? By the cross multiply. If object's initial velocity is u and final velocity is v, in case of initial displacement is x naught and final displacement is x, so this is written as u to v, v dv equal to from x naught 0 to x ADX. Clear? We know that integration of v dv will be v square upon 2 with the limit u to v equal to a is constant, that will be x from x naught to x. Yeah, we can write as from origin at 0 to x. This is also written as 0 to x. Okay? So here when we put the upper limit v square upon 2 minus lower limit u square upon 2 equal to a x minus 0. So this is written as v square minus u square upon 2 equal to ax, and this can be written as v square minus u square equal to 2ax. Here x is in displacement. This is the third equation of the motion by calculus method. Clear? So we already discussed the three equation of motion by two method, as graphical method as well as calculus method. So today we place some numericals related to these equation, and I hope you will do properly on all these questions that will provided by me. Thank you.